2 minutes to go, guys. We'll be starting the quiz. One minute to go. All right, guys. So let's get moving. It is 10:10, and let's start with the quiz. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. So, guys, welcome to another quiz round on PSM by JuxtaMed team. So here we go with the first question.
Okay. A 2-year-old child is brought to the clinic for routine immunization, and okay, there's a concern that the child had a severe allergic reaction after receiving a particular vaccine. What will be the best course of action now?
Let's see if you get it. All right. So, admin, we're keeping the patient safety first always. So, this is how we deal with this. That is, administer DT vaccine instead of DPP. Or
Okay, yeah, we have problem bleeding,
yeah,
and
that's everyone's problem apparently.
then followed by Krishna, Mohan, CK, and Ashish.
All right. Okay. All right. So, which of the following vaccines is contraindicated in pregnancy? We don't want to give you. You got to know this. Neonate.
Yeah, right. It's varicella.
All right. All right. So you're going great, guys. Let's keep moving to your third question.
Okay, 2-hour-old newborn is delivered in hospital. The mother has no antenatal records and her infection status is unknown. The baby is stable with birth weight of 3 kg. Which vaccine should be administered within 24 hours compulsorily?
Hmm.
So this is a good question actually. Good clinical test on clinical knowledge as well.
Let's see how do you do in the clinical sense.
Right, it is within 24 hours. So hepatitis B should be given within 24 hours. But we can delay BCG and OPV. I think
Right.
BCG for by 1 year and OPV by 15 days, I think, the timeline.
All right, guys. So as I hope everyone has got this thing, let's move on. All right. So we got Ayesha leading up the leaderboard, followed by AG, Heyman, Robin, Krishna, Myra, Said, S, Ashish, Sankararan, Aditi, Bhupendra, Komal, Fire, sure. Dr. Max, RK, Faizi, Batman. Wow, okay. C, CK, PP, all of you guys are doing great. Let's keep up the pace. Remember, there's no negative marking. You can always click on the right answer, which you think is the right one. All right. So your fourth question is a healthcare worker is preparing to administer a vaccine in a rural healthcare. Before use, she notices that the inner square of the vaccine vial monitor has darkened, but is still lighter than the outer circle. What is the most appropriate next step? I think you should know these.
Yeah, PYQ as well.
Yep. Right. So the vaccine use the vaccine as it is still viable. So let's go. Nice. So not much changes. You guys are doing great. Let's keep the pace. Moving on to the push.
Okay, a public health officer is training healthcare workers about Mission Indradhanush and its target groups. He asked which of the following is not a key component of Mission Indradhanush. So, which one of is it? So, you should know about the program goals here. Yeah, the right answer is introduction of new vaccine. We never give new vaccine to children. We only give vaccines which are under the schedule. Okay, we have. Okay.
All right. So during an outbreak of food poisoning at a college hostel, an epidemiologist investigates the incident. He plots the number of cases over uh, over time and finds a sharp peak in cases within a short period, followed by a decline. What type of epidemic curve is most likely observed?
So the clue here is sharp peak in cases within a short period of time. Okay, shall we see the leaderboard,
Yes.
people? Okay, we have Hemant now, followed by Aisha, RDT, and Dr. Max.
A physician in a rural clinic notices an unusual increase in dengue cases over the past 3 months. To study the risk factors, he selects a group of patients with dengue uh, and a group without dengue. Then compares their past exposure to stagnant water near their homes. So what type of study design is that?
Most of them got it right.
So great going, guys. Let's see the leaderboard. Right, so we have Hemant leading up the leaderboard, followed by Aisha, Aditi, Myra, and Krishna. So Aisha is holding the longest streak. Great going, guys. Let's keep moving forward.
Okay, a public health program is planning to implement a screening test for cervical cancer in large population. The goal is to detect as many true cases as possible at an early stage. Which of the following is the most important characteristic of a good screening test? So the goal is early detection, but what makes a screening test truly effective? So pick wisely.
Nice. So
Right, it
most
will
of
be.
you, yeah.
Okay. Okay, we have Hemant, who's leading the quiz, and Aisha, RTT, Myra. RTT and Myra at the same points.
Nice.
Okay,
So
we
as
also
we can
have.
see that we have the cutthroat competition as well in front of you guys. So let's keep up the pace and move forward. A pharmaceutical company is testing a new antihypertensive drug. Researchers conduct a double-blind, placebo-controlled RCT where neither the patients nor the investigators know how who is receiving the drug and the placebo. What is the primary purpose of blinding in an RCT?
Okay, 22 of them got it right.
Right. So great going, guys. Let's see who has won the leaderboard.
Okay, it's Aisha now who is leading, followed by Hemant, Aditi, and Myra. and Krishna. Okay, so the last question.
All right.
A 45-year-old woman visits for a routine checkup. She has no symptoms but is concerned about the risk of breast cancer due to family history. The doctor explains that screening tests should be conducted at right time to maximize benefits and minimize the harm. What is the ideal time of screening here?